Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Elgin Martinez from the Immigrant Edification channel, the only channel that addresses real immigrant issues, coming to you with another informative video. But ladies and gentlemen, the format of my video today is going to be a little different due to the fact that I'm going to be talking about basically what, in my opinion, created the current climate as it relates to immigration in the U.S. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion, the Illegal Immigration Reform and Immigrant Responsibility Act, signed by President Bill Clinton in 1996, is what I believe had laid down the precedence for Trump's current immigration system. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, what President Bill Clinton's 1996 law did was made more people deportable and fewer people legalizable. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, the law invented immigration enforcement where deportation was a constant and believable threat to millions of immigrants. In addition, ladies and gentlemen, it was a plethora of provisions to increase penalties on immigrants who had violated U.S. immigration law, whether they were unauthorized immigrants who violated immigration law or legal immigrants who committed other crimes. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, the following is what Bill Clinton's 1996 law did. Number one, more people became eligible for deportation. Legal immigration, including green card holders. Legal immigrants, including green card holders, can be deported if they are convicted of certain crimes. Number two, it got easier to deport people. Immigrants convicted of crimes were the only ones stripped of the ability to argue their case before a judge before getting deported. So did anyone caught 100 miles of the border, ladies and gentlemen. Furthermore, the law required the government to hold more immigrants in jail before deporting them, making it harder for them to get legal representation. In addition, the changes also reduced the amount of leeway that immigration judges and executive branch had to exercise discretion in whether or not to deport an immigrant. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, it got a lot harder for unauthorized immigrants to get legal. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, for much of the 20th century, it was possible for some unauthorized immigrants to obtain legal status once they've been in the U.S. for a certain period of time. Before 1996, immigrants who'd been in the U.S. for at least 7 years could get legal status as long as they show it would cause them extreme hardship to get deported. In addition, ladies and gentlemen, the 1996 law limited cancellation of removal to immigrants who'd been in the U.S. for at least 10 years. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, this 1996 law by Bill Clinton laid the groundwork for modern spikes in deportation. After this law was passed, deportation from the United States went from a non-occurrence to a relatively common one, ladies and gentlemen. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, in my opinion, President Obama's inaction to pass comprehensive immigration reform and also Bill Clinton's 1996 immigration law, or the Illegal Immigration Reform and Immigrant Responsibility Act, is basically what set the precedence for President Trump to create these draconian immigration laws. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I upload another video. Last but not least, thanks to all my viewers and subscribers.